ran after you and tackled, and he was like,
Yeah.
This is the Hurricane versus General Grevious.
Brian used parry, elbow, shoulders.
Ooh, why is this happening?
How do you recover?
What? I didn't understand how you see these things.
Oh, yeah, no, yeah, it's like, if you see it,
That love the whole match. Just randomly good.
it's like, ah.
I thought that wasn't safe. All that broken.
Right when you do that side step, you should down for it too.
like by the time you see broken out,
But that wasn't safe.
I'm about to say, when you can do your little fall down leg grab, tricks out everybody.
that's what he tried to do in a little bit.
You can't break that grab.
Well, I guess. Oh, yeah, I guess.
Oh, you're done. Remember that Bruce sweep was safe. You got a little parry that joke.
Woo! And he got a full combo.
Last time I was just pressing buttons. Why don't you ever do the roly-poly? That's a good move.
It's nice if we got the ground. When he crawls, he should like start tackling him.
Oh, what?
Let's stop. Oh, roly-poly.
Oh, what the hell? So, wait. That's a draw. You got. That's a draw, gentlemen. That's a draw, gentlemen. First draw ever recorded.
Is that on film?
Yes, it is.
That's the intense
Just putting it on
battle.
YouTube because it's a draw.
Intense battle.
Oh my god.
Alright, this is the Hurricane versus General Grevious.
You're not allowed to do that sweep. That sweep's banned.
Yeah, I was expecting a down four, like an ankle. Yeah, I think, like, I don't know, if he lost that, then he would not have anything. You know what I'm saying? I mean, he's got good shit, but that's like, you know, yeah, it's like, all right, start to move around and dip. You're like, all right, fuck what you can't stand here, go back up.
Why can't Bruce have a pressure?
Damn. So it's like get hurt. Oh.
You need to put the confidence on.
Oh, there you go. That's a good move. I'm telling you.
Yeah. I'm having some Undertaker music, like a little music
Go right there.
thing.
It's a good move to get inside. Right there.
Walk up, you sit over here on fire, your apple, you spark your shit. Yeah, all right.
What is Jerome talking about?
My own right there. Oh, now that's my own.
Grevious 1-0.
That punch was high as fuck. It hits me. It's like you hit him with his arm.
Look at Ahmed.
Hurricane versus General Grevious.
That shit
Dragunov.
talking about last time I was over there. Funny as fuck. First time I broke the motherfucking money. It was hilarious. tripod this online. I get it. Let me
There you go.
watch videos. I'm recording. I'm starving, son.
Here, record some vids.
Yeah, it was like to record down here.
Yeah, I heard the cabinet. You can make some.
They record vids up there. Oh, really? Yeah, they got a tripod right there. Oh, they say you're recording with this. What's up with the tripod? You see that shit right there?
No, that'd be like off in the way down here. Down there.
Y'all tell us.
See, we got the TV sitting up high down here, so we can do it.
I know, turn somebody to a proper video.
Yeah. Come on, folks. Let's make a combo video.
I like his accent.
I have the Nintendo password right here. One, two.
See, that's what we supposed to see the name of Fat Bastard way back in the days.
Heck no. Not really. Our redemption, son.
Yeah, you know what? Somebody got the greatest.
Yeah, I saw that. There's another greatest out there.
Yeah, yep.
I think he's in Maryland. I think.
That was my old name.
Yeah, I know.
They jacked you wanted that shit.
What the? That was free?
He was like, oh, he's taking his name.